So this is the OSOU hairdryer. The noise you hear in the background right now is the fan of my bathroom. It has nothing to do with the hairdryer. So this one's the pink model. It's a very faint pink color between white and pink. It's very simple to operate. It's got a slider here for turning it on, 2 levels, low and high. And then this button here cycles through the temperatures. And then here is a light to tell you it's on and what temperature it's at. It's got a little nozzle thing on the front here that quickly can be detached, and then you just have a big open cavern. And then down here is a filter which unscrews, and you can take it off and clean it. So let's turn it on here. So that blue light means that it's cold. So there's cold air coming out of it right now. If I hit this button once, it goes to warm air. If I hit the button again, it goes to hot air. And if I hold the button for 2 seconds, you'll see the light blink. And then it's going to cycle through the different temperatures. And tap again to go back to your mode. And then that's the high mode. There's the power there. And then it powers off. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with it. I don't have a ton of experience with hair dryers, but it's absolutely better than the $40 hair dryer that I had before, which is considerably larger, noisier, and bulkier. Yeah, I recommend this product. It's pretty neat.
I had been using an old Curlmaster hair dryer I'd had for about 20 years, and I wanted to try one of these Ionic ones. I love this. So it has 2 settings, strength settings, which is the power of the wind, and then 3 temperature settings. I'll be honest, the cool setting could also make this double as like a nice fan. I love that the air intake is at the base of the handle instead of on the back of the blower where you can get your hair caught. I have shoulder length hair, and I find that the lower speed setting is suitable. The cool setting is enough to help get my hair a little better than towel dry, and then I can go to the second setting. The hot setting is not as blistering hot as you'd find on a standard budget hair dryer. So this is really nice. I love that the cord is more of a tube. It's very comfortable, and it also comes with a silicone strap to make it really easy to wrap this back up. It's also a lot more compact. So if I needed to travel with this, not a problem. Very nice.
this is the OSOU dryer. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a fanless dryer. There are a lot of things I like about it. It also comes with the extra piece that can go on for drying your hair, but you turn it on. It has good power, and it has 3 different temperatures, which is good. One of the objections I do have is that my hand's an average size for a woman, and you can't be down here because it covers the intake, but if you're up here, I end up accidentally changing the temperature or the speed, and this is the speed here. Off, low, high, cold, medium, high. I've used this for 6 field dryers. It does a good job as far as drying. I am a little bit concerned because there are a number of people that have had problems after a month, so I will be checking back because I'll be using this every day for up to 3 months to let you know how it goes. So far, so good. I just want to keep it that way. Okay.
My wife loves this very efficient hair dryer that has modern heating elements. It has 4 temperature settings, which I'm going to demonstrate. But she especially likes the automatic temperature control technology that protects her hair from damage. These 2 attachments on the hair dryer reduce static and leaves her hair shiny, frizz-free, and gives her hair great volume.
here the review of the also dryer. So I already flirt in right here. If you can see the red one and here. The one now it really sound in my fans, and this e-dryer turn on off, nothing happened. Wow, it not work normally. I just opened it today, and this is what I received.